Hey y'all, today we're going to do a buffalo chicken and rice casserole. I've already started my vegetables. You need to chop up fine an onion, carrots, and celery. All the measurements will be down below. And saute them in a little bit of oil so they get soft. Go ahead and add some garlic. And you're going to add a teaspoon of onion powder and a teaspoon of garlic powder and some salt and pepper to taste. And you need to stir this for about a minute. I'm going to follow this recipe as far as the ingredients and stuff go and the measurements, but my method's going to be a little bit different. So if it seems like it doesn't really match the recipe as far as the methods go, then that's why. You also, before we do the rest of this recipe, you need to preheat your oven to 400 degrees. Okay, so I went ahead and cooked my rice ahead of time. The recipe does not, call for that. But I really wanted to do that. And I also cooked my chicken ahead of time, which you are supposed to do that. And I've already got it shredded. I decided to get a big mixing bowl and go ahead and add everything in here and then add it to our baking dish. The cooked rice is in here, and it's about 3 cups or so. And then you're gonna take your vegetables from earlier and you're gonna put them in the bowl too. We'll add our cream cheese that I've already softened in the microwave. It was 8 ounces. And you need to go ahead and try to mix this in. We're going to add the rest of our ingredients or some more ingredients because at the end we have a little thing we have to do, and then we'll put it back in the oven. So the next thing is 3 cups, and I'm not going to put the full 3 cups of the broth in there because again the rice is already cooked, so you probably just need to do about 1.5 cups. Okay, and then you're going to put your cooked chicken in. It was 1.5 chicken breasts. Well, I'm sorry. 1 large chicken breast and then a small chicken breast. And we're going to add in our 3/4 cup of buffalo sauce.
Don't you tell me they are in town. I already know. Couple days ago. Hey, now that our names are written in stone.
And you can season with more salt and pepper at this time. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to go ahead and add it to our baking dish. Okay, so the original time was 40-45 minutes, but we won't need that long of a time because we've already cooked the rice. So put all this in. Spread it out. And we're going to go ahead and put this in the oven and we're going to bake this until it's bubbly. And then we're going to put cheese and crackers on it and put it back in the oven, but I'll come back here and show you that too before the end. Okay, y'all, so it's out of the oven. I went ahead and stirred it first. And now I am crushing Ritz crackers on top. And you only need about 1/2 sleeve. It's about 1 cup or so. Just sprinkle all that on. And then you're going to take your cheese and sprinkle on top of that. I'm using about 4 ounces. Maybe a little bit more because I like it. I'm using Colby Jack, but you can probably use anything. Okay, now you need to put this back in the oven just for a few minutes until this melts. Okay, y'all, so this is it right out of the oven. Everything melted real good. I don't see any other changes I can do to make it better, and it will go great with our whole budget-minded recipe idea. Okay, y'all, this is going to be a really quick dinner today, and I wanted to show you how we do chili dogs and Frito pies. My family likes to have chili dogs, but they also like to have Frito pies with their chili dogs. To me, not a fan, but I'm going to show you how I do it. So I go ahead and I get the plate ready like this, bun the hot dog, I wrap the hot dog in sliced cheese. I go ahead and add my chili. Most of the time it's canned chili. You can make it cheaper by making your own. So I do this. And then with the Frito pie, here we just, it may be different depending on what part of the country you're in, but we just place a little bit of chili, and this is also canned, on top of everything. And then usually we use whatever cheese we have on hand, shredded cheese, and place on top, and that's it. Sometimes I'll chop hot dogs up in this, and we'll do it that way. And all I do now is I'll microwave it for a few minutes and it'll be ready to go, and I'll show you what that looks like when it comes out. Okay, so this is the finished product. I stuck it in the microwave for like 30 seconds to melt everything, and that's it. That'll be dinner for tonight. See y'all next time.